Hello guys, welcome back to my channel NexTutorial, and in today's video I'm going to be walking you through a step-by-step on how to factory reset your Alcatel 1X Evolve model number 5059Z. This particular device is with Metro PCS, and to factory reset is very easy. First thing we want to do is power off the device. Once the device is completely off, we're going to be using two different buttons to perform the reset, which are the volume up and the power key. You want to press both buttons at the same time, press and keep holding. As soon as the device comes on, you want to release just the power and keep holding the volume up key until you get to the recovery screen. Once you get to this screen right here, you want to use the volume down key to navigate, and you want to scroll down to where it says Wipe Data Factory Reset. Press the power key to confirm. Down to the Yes option, press the power key again. Once it formats, you want to scroll down to where it says Wipe Cache Partition. Down to Yes, press the power key. Once that is done, go ahead and reboot your device. This is it guys, this concludes our tutorial for today. If you found this video helpful to you, hit the like and subscribe to my channel for more, and thank you guys for watching.